she goes again.
Hi loves, welcome back to another pink video and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, I'm Fabiola and I love creating all kinds of pink and girly videos. If that's something you like, then go ahead and click the subscribe button down below, click the bell notification and follow me on my Instagram. I'll leave you all the links and handles down below. So I had some errands to run. Did decide to also declutter my vanity and reorganize a few things. I love cleaning and organizing, and I don't know you guys, but whenever my vanity is cluttered or my closet area, I get so overwhelmed. Being able to see where your things are in your vanity makes getting ready in the morning so much easier.
There she goes again. Beauty queen on the web, but when she goes to bed, it's like a rhythmic nuisance. Play the 19 songs when her dreams were born. This girl is so sweet and slow. Had big plans once, but life's too short. Hanging on in the hope of it all. Wonder if good girls really know what they see. Looking good but feeling incomplete. Wonder if good girls one day wake up and see. Be a good girl, but let your heart take a leap.
You're not gonna believe what just arrived in the mail. Yes, it's another Labubu. This is actually a Labubu that I've been wanting for a very, very long time. I just think they're very cute, and just like any other trend, not because others are styling them too means we are copying them. So trends are meant to inspire others as well. And when there's a trend, if you like it, you should follow it. So I did get some things from Marshall's. They had the most adorable stuff there. So I ended up getting this gorgeous top. It's light pink, and I just love the detail here. It's almost like a little heart. I also got this incredibly cute set. This is a skirt. It's giving me Love Shack fancy vibes. It's just so pretty, and this came with a tube top. So it's a 2 set, and believe it or not, this entire set was $19. I also got this super cute corset. It's like a corset top, but look how pretty it is. It is so gorgeous. Absolutely adorable. I believe this one here was $12.99. Like, this is insane. You can find these at like other boutique stores for like over $30. So of course I had to get that. And then the back is really nice because it has this like stretchy material. I also picked up this dress because it's giving me that Love Shack fancy vibe. I feel like everywhere I go, I see that. And I wish you could feel the quality on this. It's so soft. Like, it's incredibly soft. This one was $16.99. But look how cute it is. It has bow details here on the top. And it's very, very stretchy here at the waist. I also found this beautiful top. It's all lace detail with pink bows, pink lace, so coquette. And this one was only $12.99. But look at the details on this top. It's so, so pretty. It has like lace. The back also has that stretchy material, so it does stretch out. I also found this incredibly cute little purse. This is Juicy Couture, and it's made out of that like terry cloth material, like from back in the day. So beautiful. And then it has like that little trim all around it. Check out the details on the strap. What a pretty little purse. I'm so excited with this. I also got one for my daughter. I'll have to share that with you in a minute, but let me show you what I found for my purse. This is a bag charm, and you can clip it to like a backpack, a bag, or anything like keychains. But I thought this was like absolutely adorable. Look at all these cute little beads and charms. This one was $16.99. So this is the bag that I got for my daughter, and she picked it out, and I love it. It's like denim. It's also Juicy Couture, and it has like pink details with denim, and she chose this because she thought this would go perfect with like many of her outfits, and she already attached her little Labubu to it. She loves the Labubus as well. The last thing I got from Marshalls is a PJ set. It's also Juicy Couture, and look how gorgeous the print is on this. It has strawberries and it says Juicy Couture, and it comes with the shorts, and then you get a cami to go with it. I also went to Victoria's Secret, and that was thanks to my bestie. She inspired me to go because she told me that they were giving out this gorgeous tote bag with the purchase of $100. And of course, knowing me, I ran to my Victoria's Secret. So I ended up picking up this gorgeous PJ. Look how stunning it is. It's all like silk. It's so pretty, and the straps are all rhinestones. It's beautiful, and check out the sides. It has bows. Like, it's so coquette and it's so pretty. I'm obsessed with this. Like, this is my favorite. I also got this gorgeous bra, and it has butterflies. Like, it is adorable. Like, I'm obsessed. It has ruffles on the straps. And I got the matching panty to go with it, which also has like a little butterfly, and it has like ruffles on the side. This one I'm also very happy and so excited for. Look how stunning this is. So this is a PJ set, and it's just so beautiful, like so whimsical. And it comes with its little like bralette and straps that you can adjust and make little bows. Like, how pretty. And this is like very stretchy. It's like a very stretchy material, very soft, like cotton style. And then it comes with some shorts. It was $39.95, and it's a 2-piece set, but I'm obsessed with this. Like, it is so freaking cute. And the trim on the shorts match the bralette. I got this free tote bag, and I just love it. It's a canvas tote. It's so pretty, and it says Victoria's and then Secret in the back. And it came with a little wristlet. Like, how cute is this? So it's like a set. You get the tote bag with the wristlet. But yeah, that was everything I got from Marshalls and Victoria's Secret. Like, I'm obsessed with everything. So now that I'm back from doing my quick shopping trip, we're gonna start organizing. I am going to put my acrylic stand together and put my Barbies and then organize my Labubus. So let's go ahead and get started.
Say my name, groovy 한 걸음걸이 거울 앞에 서봐 누가 제일 핫해. Look at me now, so savage. 빛이 나 언제나 두껍게 떠올라. All day 깊이 빠져들지. 내 같으면 분위기가 up. 너도 나를 원해 감추지 마 절대. 한 입에 오문 캔디처럼 중독돼. Let's make it loud. 오늘 밤에 미쳐 돌아가. Rhythm 위에 춤춰 걷지 말고 follow. Let me hear you say. 이건 warning time. 거침없이 더 올라가. 내 머릿속에 deep inside you. Hey, say my name. 입에 잘 감겨 just like bubblegum. 더 크게 불러봐. Say my name.
Girl, you got me down so bad. I can't say enough. She pull up with that new thing. Please don't fall in love, 'cause I think of you all day. Yeah, I was running through my brain. Can't be nothing, 'cause I just know you got me thinking.